What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 great affordable fall jackets you can pick up for this year. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Mike Tracy, salute. Now during the fall, there's so many great different styles of jackets to choose from. Whether you're talking about your trucker jacket, a bomber jacket, a field jacket, or even a sports jacket. There's just so many to choose from that you can easily run up a hefty bill if you grab too many. That's what I want to help you with today. On today's video, I've got 10 great stylish fall jackets that won't break the bank, but will give you a great versatile rotation for the fall. And of course, I'm gonna have a link in the description to all the jackets I talk about on today's video if you wanna grab one or two for yourself. So without any further delay, let's hop right into it. First up on the list is a jacket I picked up last year that you guys often compliment me on and ask about. This great faux suede Mango Men bomber jacket. And great news, it's been reissued for this year. I absolutely love this faux suede bomber. The thing about leather and suede jackets, they can get pretty expensive. And a cheap faux leather jacket looks just that, cheap. However, I think it's much easier to pull off a faux suede jacket, like this beautiful one from Mango Men. Love the cut and style of this one, and it comes in 3 colors. You've got beige, black, and dark navy. Now the navy is a little darker than the one I picked up last year, but I love it just as much. You want a great stylish suede bomber that won't set you back? Pick up this faux suede bomber from Mango Men for 70 bucks. Next up on the list is a very stylish type of jacket that I think looks good on a classic stylish guy. I'm talking about a quilted jacket with this Barbour 10-foot quilted jacket. Now Barbour is a great classic name that makes timeless styles of jackets, just like this one. This quilted jacket has a great striking corduroy collar that tops a rugged diamond quilted jacket. It's detailed with generous pockets and adjustable side snaps. It comes in several colors and I absolutely love this one. I really think it's a steal. A great name, a timeless piece, and I find it over the last couple of weeks anywhere from 90 to 120 bucks. Next up on the list is the style of jacket I love to use when the weather's a bit transitional during the fall. A little warm and a little cool all in the same day. I love rocking a shirt jacket, like this heavy flannel one from Banana Republic. This great shirt jacket is made of a heavy yet soft flannel that's thicker and warmer than your typical flannel shirt. It's unlined and perfect for layering, has a point collar and a chest pocket. Absolutely love this shirt jacket from Banana Republic, and it comes in 2 great colors, black and tan. Great style with a great price. It's only gonna run you about 45 to 60 bucks. Next up on the list is one of my absolute favorite recommendations I make on this channel for jackets, and it's actually not a jacket at all, but it's perfect for the fall. You definitely want an overcoat, like this J.Crew factory Thompson plaid coat. Very sleek with a nice slim fit and a point collar. Great plaid car coat from J.Crew factory is a great wool blend. It's a great mix of black, gray, and brown. And it comes in a wide variety of sizes. Now it's sized like your suit jacket or a blazer. They have everywhere from a 34 to a 46. Great stylish coat for the fall, and it's only gonna cost you 109 bucks. Next up on the list is a jacket I've been recommending since this channel started, and I would recommend every fall because it's a super classic and it won't break the bank. And it just so happens to be the jacket I'm rocking right now. Your classic Levi's denim trucker jacket. Doesn't get any better than this jacket. The quintessential fall piece. And as you can see, I wear it all the time. You see me rocking it in various lookbooks. The Levi's denim trucker jacket is an absolute no-brainer. It's timeless and you know to be in style this fall and every fall. And on top of that, you can easily find it for around 69 bucks. Next up on the list is another jacket I've been recommending a lot lately. And it's one I recently added into my rotation the last few years. I definitely think you should grab a Harrington jacket, like this great stylish affordable Asos Harrington jacket. I absolutely love a Harrington jacket. It gives you that classic preppy look. And this one from Asos comes with functional plackets, a zip fastener up the front, and your traditional rib cuffs and hem. And it comes in a bunch of colors like black, navy, and olive. Absolutely love this Harrington from Asos, and it's only gonna set you back 50 bucks. Next up on the list is another style of jacket I think guys should wear more often because it's a masculine, rugged, classic piece. The field jacket, especially if it looks as good as this BDG M65 utility jacket. Now this is a great cotton twill jacket with a great military-inspired design. It features a button placket at the front with a notch collar and 4 flat pockets. Like I said, I absolutely love the design of this one. A great classic rugged military feel. And they have a couple of colors to choose from in taupe and olive. Great stylish jacket for this fall, and it's only gonna set you back 79 bucks. Next up on the list is another great overcoat, and one that makes a bold statement. In fact, I love this one so much, I recently put an order in for myself. It's this beautiful express khaki double-breasted trench coat. Love the beautiful camel heather color of this one. And a bonus, it's water resistant. Yes, it's made of a water resistant wool blend with peak lapels, a button front, and a straight hem. And I love how it's cut in that great classic trench coat style. In fact, you'll see me modeling this pretty soon in a future lookbook. Absolutely love this piece, a standout, and I've seen it recently on sale for 178 bucks. Next up on our list of the best fall jackets for this year that happen to be affordable, we're headed back to J.Crew Factory. And a pick that I think is an absolute necessity in every guy's wardrobe. There's gonna be times you need to be a little dressy, but you don't wanna have to get too dressed up. What fits the bill? A navy blazer, like this J.Crew Factory Thompson blazer. This one has everything you need for those dressier situations throughout the fall. It has that notch lapel, a great wool blend, a slim fit, and of course it's in navy, the most versatile color in a blazer. Dress this up, dress this down, with the Oxford button down, wear it with jeans. You can grab this J.Crew Factory Thompson blazer for only 89 bucks. And last, but certainly not least, on my list of the best affordable jackets for this fall, we're headed back to Express for another trucker jacket, but this one with great texture and color, as we have this Express Sherpa line corduroy trucker jacket. Absolutely love this one. This one will definitely fit the bill when it's a little cooler outside. It has a great fully lined Sherpa interior, a corduroy exterior, and a great Sherpa collar. It's made in that classic trucker style with a zip front. And I love this great fall appropriate earth tone type color. Classic and a notch above a typical trucker jacket. Love this one from Express. It's only gonna run you 98 bucks. Okay, so there you have it. My list of the 10 best affordable jackets you can pick up this fall. Make sure you let me know in the comment section which ones caught your eye. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out the next time.